Hello everyone, and welcome to Eltas Head to Head. We are here with Katrin Beringer today, and we asked her some questions, and here's what she had to say.
Yes, true. I have a degree in English and theatre studies, and I must say, I never would have thought that I would put theatre studies into my teaching. It was not quite the plan, but it turned out very nicely because, well, when you teach, you must be able to improvise because you just never know what the people are like, you know. And what else? Well, of course, you just have to be able to stand in front of a group without panicking. So that helps if you don't mind standing there in front of, I don't know, 5 to 25 people in my case. And yeah, role plays, that's fun. I know that some teachers don't like it because they hate it themselves. In my case, I love them, you know, so I don't mind, you know, well, making a fool of it somehow, you know, but it's fun. And then your students realize that they can just, you know, role play excessively. And that's usually a lot of fun. Ooh, for my students, can't think of any, I must say. Thinking of it now, there was one group, there was an evening class, and they were working on getting their Business English Cambridge certificate. So it was really hard work, 3 times a week. And I remember there was one guy who said, "Hey, Captain, are we ready for takeoff?" I don't know why he said it. Maybe, I don't know, whether I had this authority or I don't know. So, and that was funny because we always used this vocabulary like, ready for takeoff, ready for boarding, do you need to stop over for 10 minutes? Or something like this. And they kept saying, "Captain, not quite ready yet." So that was fun, and we learned lots of airline, air travel vocabulary this way, and it was very playful this way. And I remember one day this guy brought a cap for me, and I think we took a photo. Don't know where that photo is, but I probably looked very professional with my pilot's cap on. Mistake, I'm sure there are lots. I remember a very embarrassing moment. That was, I was just walking into the classroom when I spilled my coffee, because this lid was kind of not put on this cup properly, and yeah, I spilled the full cup onto my white blouse, and gosh, that was a very bad moment. Luckily, it was not too hot, but it was really sweet. You know, I said, "Hello, I'm your messy teacher." And they were very sorry for me, like, "Oh my God, was it too hot or whatever, never mind." And yeah, so I looked really stupid, but my students at university, they, you know, they had a lot of empathy, and they were very caring actually. And they didn't mind the messy teacher on that day. Ooh, okay, so what you're saying is there's not much time to prepare. Something I could always talk about is some kind of, well, culture, no matter which. For example, I would ask this colleague, like, okay, what countries do they do business with? So, for example, if it was India, yeah, I've got PowerPoint there in my files, so I could show that one. And there are some great websites out there where you could find country specifics, meeting styles, whatever. So I think 90 minutes, that would be pretty easy, just to yeah, broaden horizons and to learn a bit about the countries that they deal with, the cultures their business partners come from. And yeah, so I think I would do that. Oh, I don't know whether I know them. Although what I do like is what our webmaster put on our Eltas website. This is the quote, "Whoever dares to teach must never cease to learn." So, and I think that's the whole idea, really. You think you can teach, or if you're a young person, you think you're going to be a teacher, you tell others how things work or whatever. But in fact, I think to be a good teacher, you've got to learn, and you shouldn't just never stop. Otherwise, you're not good at it. So that's why it's great to be a member of Eltas, if you like, because I got so much inspiration in all the workshops regarding all kinds of topics, and I must say I benefited a lot from all this great workshops they have on offer. Because one of my clients, they said really, literally overnight, now you have to switch to online classes, and I managed somehow, but I only managed because Eltas was kind of did some thorough thinking. They saw it coming, and so they offered together with other sister organizations in Germany, the Inter-Elta, they offered online workshops on video conferencing tools. So that's probably the best example of, that was just what helped me, and this way I could just continue and grow and learn.
For more information about our organization, contact us at info@eltas.de. Or if you're interested in participating in one of these interviews or have questions to ask for the interviews, please contact us at social media at eltas.de. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you're notified every time we come out with a new video. Gracie approves, don't you, girl? That's right, little girly girl. Bye.